Short answer type question, chapter 12, class 6th. Question number 1. What is the difference between an open and a closed circuit? Answer is when the key is open. When the key is open or the switch is open, circuit is not complete. And in incomplete circuit, current does not flow through the circuit. And such circuit is called open circuit. While when the key is closed or the switch is on, circuit is complete, current flows through the circuit, and this is closed circuit. Children, open circuit, closed circuit. You can differentiate. In open circuit, the switch is off and current is not flowing and the appliances will not work. Whereas in closed circuit, the switch is on, the circuit is complete, current flows through the circuit and the appliances will work. Question number 2. What is a switch? Write its function. Answer is a switch is a device that closes or opens a circuit, thereby allowing or stopping the flow of current. Switch, this is a controlling, regulating device. By the use of the switch, we can open or close a circuit. It allows, when we are closing the circuit, then it allows the flow of current. When we are stopping or opening the circuit, then it will not allow or flow the current. It is used to open or close a circuit. By the use of switch, we can control the amount of current flowing through the circuit. Question number 3. What do you mean by a fused bulb? An electric bulb is considered to be fused if its filament break. If the filament is broken, then the current is not flowing through it and it does not produce any heat. So it is considered to be fused. Now question 4. Write few safety measures while handling electrical appliances. The safety measures to these are: don't place objects on the power cords. Don't place any object on the power cords, as this may damage the power cords also, and the person who is placing the object on the power cords get electric shock. The second is don't stick anything metallic inside electrical appliances. If you are using any electrical appliances, then don't insert anything like knife, fork, etc. inside electrical appliances. Question 5. Why do we use metal wires to connect different elements of an electrical circuit? Its answer is metal wires is used for providing the path for flow of electric current, as metals are good conductor of electricity. Now the next question is, what is the difference between a conductor and an insulator? Children, conductor means conductors allow electricity to pass through them, whereas insulator don't allow electric current to pass through them. Conductors, these are the materials which allow electricity or electric current to pass through them. While insulator, these are those materials which don't allow electric current to pass through them.